Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. I already taught the JavaFx basics. Those who are not touched them, you go to my video description. You have a basics of JavaFx, how to create the application, how to create the controller and views. In this class, I'm going to teach about the how to move one scenes to another when you click the button. So here, this is first you have to create the view. So select this one, create view, this select here, package, view package, new. So you have to select the package as fxml. Like here we have to name it as dashboard form. This is the efficient way to have to write, right? So now click OK. Now you can hear it will be created. Now here controller, so I am going to create a controller, create Java class. Here's a class dashboard form. This is a class, the dashboard form controller. This is a controller class. Press enter key. Now your controller has been created. Let's back to my view. Now here we have to link with my controller. My controller is reside on where controllers folder. So let's give the path over here. Controller. Here, if you type here, it automatically generated our IntelliJ program. That's the beauty of IntelliJ. Okay, now the controller is imported successfully. Right, perfect. Now, this is my views. Now I'm going to go to open up my scenes builder. So how to open up my scenes builder? This is your views. Inside the view, right click, open in scenes builder. Now the scenes builder is open up your IntelliJ application. Right, now it's open up. Now here, this is your dashboard. Here, this dashboard, what I'm going to do is, here we have to make the size smaller. You can use here, right? Very simple. Now here, this is your dashboard. Dashboard, select the dashboard. Here I'm going to background color, I'm going to change it as white. All the time I am going to select the white color background. Press enter key. Right. Background color white. Right. Now what I'm going to do is here. Now let's do the thing is I just drag the label. Right. This label I'm going to name it as this label text as dashboard. Dashboard. Press enter key. Now the font property, we have to increase the font size a little bit bigger. Select the font property here or here. You can check here. Right now here. Now here we have to select the color black. Font, your select as style, select as bold. You have to red, right? Perfect. This one should be alignment as center, right? Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is this is your dashboard, right? Now we have one button. We have put it one button. Drag the button over here. This button I'm going to name it as this button. I'm going to change the color of this button. Go to the style, background color. You have to change this one as a red. Select this one here. The text I'm going to change it as next scenes, something like that. Right, now what I'm going to see, I have to change this one as a bold, along with bold. It's bold. You have to increase the size a little bit bigger, right? And you click the button, you have to the font also I'm going to change it as a white color, right? And you click the button, I want to open up the new screen, right? Now we have tested preview, show preview. Here it will be working fine, right? Now let's save. First you have to save them. After that, close the window. Now all the code will be important to uh, your intelligent application, right? Now what I'm going to do is, now let's go to the dashboard. This is your dashboard. Okay, this is your dashboard, right? Now here one thing I have forgot to return here, right? So let's go to the dashboard, the view here, right click, open up the scenes builder. Now we haven't set the event handler. Okay, so if you want to make edit, you back to uh, the scenes builder look like this. Select here, go to the code section. Here you can see the one action method. Here I'm going to set the action btn. Okay, click, press enter key. You must select the one click method, then only it should be work. Right, this one should be the id also. You set as btn, but btn okay, I just select this. I will give you the id. If you want, you can give the id. I just give this one should be the must btn click. Now file, close, sorry, file, save. First you have to save, then you have to close the window. Right, it's closed. Now this is your on click method. Here btn on click, click, select this one. Here you can see the bulb symbol, select this one. It asks to import the method into your controller. You click and you have to import it here. Here it automatically imported. Very simple. Now first what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the anchor. Anchor means this, the in our FX application, the frame should be the anchor. So first you have to implement the anchor. So you write public, then only first you have to public anchor pan, public anchor pan, anchor pan. Here this, sorry, anchor pan, create the object anchor. Here it automatically it created. That's the beauty of Spring IntelliJ application. This is the best tool I ever seen Java writing the code. It's the best tool, right? Now here first you have to the same thing. What you have done in here was uh, application initializer. This is the same thing you have to return. You have to give the path. The same thing I just copied. You have to paste it over here. The dashboard. Click. Once the thing you have to change this. This one is a parent. You have to set the path. When you click the button, you have to provide your test form.xml is where. Okay, so we have to provide the path. So parent XML loader. So this is not error. It asks the signature. Select this one. It asking the signature, right? The error go away now. Now here you have to give the path. It is reside on where? It is reside on slash. Okay, here this reside on. If you go, this is when you click this button. Click the button. It's go back to your controller views folder. If you uh, double dot mean it will be coming out of this folder and it will be go inside this views folder. Views folder, you have to give the test form.xml. Okay, you have to give the test.form.xml. So test form XML. Perfect. Now here, after that, what you are going to do is just scenes. You have to set the parent here. This scenes you have to set the parent. After that, what you are going to do is this is not. You have to remove them. Instead of that, you have to write here stage. You have to get the stage. Stage. Get the variable primary stage. Stage prime stage. You have to create stage. Otherwise, you can get stage. Variable create stage equal. You have set here as stage. You have to cast them as, you have to press alt enter key to implement the namespace above. This one also stage, you have to cast it space root. You have set the root dot get scenes dot here dot, sorry, dot this get and dot, sorry, not root, this is the anchor pan dot get scenes dot get window. That's it. After that, what I'm going to do is you have to write this stage dot set scenes, this scenes. After that, what you're going to do is here stage dot set title test form. After that, stage dot center screen. That's it. This how we have right now here. The anchor pan also we have to create the ID or give the ID. Okay, so anchor pan reside on where here. It's a go here. The anchor pan. You have type ID, fix ID. You have type the ID as anchor pan. That's it. It will import the ID as well. This ID will be important. Then only it will work. Right? This ID anchor pan. You have to give the ID. You must give the ID. Now let's save all. Right. Now if you are sorry, now it's not to work. Now if you are working here, now it's open up app initialize. What's the form you are setting here? Dashboard over here. Okay. Right. If you click the next scene, it's gone up. Right. Now here, first here you have to change the scenes which screen. If you want to load the test form, you can give here test form. If you run the application, it will load up the test form. Now I want to load up the dashboard form, so that we have set as dashboard form. That's it. If you click now here, click, it's gone up. Perfect. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing my next lecture.